Hi guys, let me show you how you can reduce your PDF document from a high size to a very low file size. For us to do that, we need a website called I Love PDF. So let's head up there. I will leave the description. I will leave the link in the description below for you to follow. You say I Love PDF. We have it here, I love PDF.com. So when you open this page, you see that you have a lot of options here. So what we want to do is to reduce our file size, so we click on the compressed PDF. We select the file you want to compress. Let me use this particular one. Okay, so this document I'm using here is 5 MB. Here is it, about 5.9 something MB. So we are going to compress it to make the size lower. Okay, it has compressed, and this is what it's telling us. The original file size was 5.93 MB. Now it is 413.15 kilobytes, and it has downloaded automatically. We have it here. Done. So let's head up to see the size of the document. Here it is 14.13 kilobytes. So that is how you can reduce the size of your PDF document without losing any quality. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe for more.